Hey, Walter Sorrells back with more tips for the knife maker. Today, making a neck knife with very simple tools. Like I said, today I'll be making a neck knife using only very simple hand tools. The blade's going to be based on my Tactics Armory Hawk Feather neck knife. In a lot of my videos you'll hear me giving all kinds of explanations about what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. Not today. Today we're just going to show what I'm doing and let the work speak for itself. By the way, if you're up for a contrast, I did a video really on this, pretty much this exact same subject, but using much more sophisticated tools several years ago. So if you want to check that out, I've got a link to it in the cards. I'll be working on this knife over the course of several afternoons. So I'll be putting out one video for each day's work showing exactly what I accomplished on that particular afternoon. Today, I just worked on the metal work. Tomorrow, I'm going to be doing the handle, basically the woodwork part of it. All right. Let's go ahead and jump on into it. Let me jump in to mention that, as I do with most of my knife builds, I'll be posting plans for this knife on my Patreon page. Now you can print out those plans and use them as an exact template. I've got all the dimensions on there. So no matter how small your donation, if you're a supporter of this channel on Patreon, you get access to all the plans from the builds that I've done plans for, and there are a ton of them. Now these videos take an enormous amount of work and time, so anything you can give back to the channel is really appreciated, and it helps me keep putting these videos out week after week, year after year. Link in the cards. All right, back to it. Okay, that wraps up today's work. We've compressed about one afternoon's worth of filing and sawing and so forth into a little over 10 minutes. It's hard work, but definitely doable if you put your mind to it. Tomorrow, after the knife is heat treated, I'll show the making of the handle. Then on the final day, if I get around to it, and I probably will, we'll do a Kydex sheath. Thanks for watching, guys. If you feel like you got something out of this video, don't forget to subscribe. Also, click on the link to Patreon for a great way to give back to the channel. Plus, check me out on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Links in the description. If you want something sharp and pointy, maybe a gift for yourself or one of the cooler people in your life, check out my Tactics Armory website and pick up one of our tactical or outdoor knives. And finally, if you want to learn to make Hamones or Japanese swords, check out WalterSorrellsBlades.com, where you can find videos about how I make Hamones, as well as forging, mounting, polishing, and fittings for Japanese swords. Thanks, and see you soon.